First real snow at the new house. It's already starting to melt though. The roads were covered a little bit ago. This house is all electric, so it's not well equipped for the cold like our gas houses were. We don't get a lot of snow here in Georgia.